First of all, I think it kind of sucks that Orlando's having such a wild problem with venues. You guys have such a really flourishing scene. You guys really give a fuck about the bands that are happening here and the shows that happen here. And not only to lose a spot, but to lose a person like Uncle Lou that's been holding it down for years, way before a lot of us have been coming around. It sucks. And it sucks that it's under the circumstances of him being detained by ICE. I know we all agree on this. I'm preaching to the choir here, but I think it's important to say. Second thing about that last show at Uncle Lou's, if anyone was there, you know how fucked up that was. And I want you guys to make that look like baby shit. We're remote control. This one's a cover. If you know it, come and get this fucking mic. Who the fucking stop? Let's go! Oh yeah. What y'all boys on? What y'all boys on? Shout out to the Tooth Conglomerate for having us. Always having fun and cool shows for fun, cool people. Give it up to everyone on the bill. Guess what? Lost, Miracle, Steph for this. Shout out to, I don't know, what else is cool in Orlando? Shout out Puerto Rico. Where's Rafael? Where's Rafael? Where's Rafael? Oh, yes.
Bro, always late. Always late, bro. Puerto Rican time.
Yeah, that's true. Alright.
Yeah, that one.
This one is fast as fuck, so act like it.
How fast is it?
It's really fast. It's really fast, guys. Yo, for real, pack it in. There's so much room here, no one's getting hurt, unless G-Man's around. G-Man, calm down, man.
Oh, supposed to be security. Do the opposite.
No, you know what? You're doing great, G-Man. Alright.
One love. Yeah, this is how it should look.
Yeah, you know what, Vasily's right. This is how it should look. It's time to party. Everyone go side to side really fast. You gonna play sit down? You should, that's fine. Alright, this one was on a split with a band called Wasted Life. Shout out to them. Yeah, it's great. Keep on moshing. We're gonna talk about the songs. If you hate your job, the song's for you. If you hate that everything costs money, the song's for you. If you hate that you can't afford the place that you live in, the song's for you. If you hate that you're pushing out your friends and people really care about the fucking place that you live in, the song's for you. It's called Everything's for Sale. dance that hard for the rest of the bands playing. Don't be a fucking pussy.